Select the layer and make it to duplicate copy. And rename the layer color and second texture layer. And hide the texture layer. And select the color layer. And go to filter menu and select the blur menu. Now select the Gaussian blur and fill the amount 8 pixels. Now select the texture layer and go to image menu and select apply image. Select the layer color and select the channel RGB mode and change the blending mode subtract and fill the amount scale to and offset amount 1 to 8.
Now go to layer menu and change the blending mode linear light. And hide the texture layer. And select the color layer. Go to toolbar, select the mixer brush. Go to mixer brush properties. And this tool uncheck. And paint the skin mix brush carefully.
And OW show the texture layer. And show the final results.